Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subject Mathematics. Today our topic is the construction of angles of 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree. First of all, take your scale and draw a line segment with suitable measurement. A line segment has always two ending points. This point we can call A and this point we can call B. For construction of angles, use your compass. Open your compass with suitable radius. Taking A as a center means put your compass needle at point A and draw a semicircle with suitable radius. The point which is touch the straight line. We can give any name of this point. Now this time we can call this point L. Put your needle at point L and draw an arc of suitable radius which intersect the semicircle at this point. We call this point M. Now we draw a line from point A which is passes through from point M. Carefully with your scale draw a line from point A which is passes through from point M. The measurement from point L to M is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Now again put your needle of compass at point M and draw another arc of suitable radius which intersect the semicircle and other point. We call this point N. Draw a line segment from point A which is passes through from point N. The measurement from M to N is another 60 degree. But from L to N total degree is 120 degree because 60 plus 60 is equal to 120 degree. Again put your needle at point N and draw an arc of suitable radius which intersect the semicircle at point O. We again draw a straight line from point A which is passes through from point O. From N to O the measurement is 60 degree, but from point L to O is total 180 degree. we can say that a semicircle has total 180 degree. The measurement from point L to M is equal to 60 degree. From L to N, 120 degree. From L to O, 180 degree. But from point L to M, 60 degree. From M to N, another 60. And from N to O is also 60 degree. So we can draw angles of 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree with use of compass. In the last, you can check your angles with your protractor. Shukriya, Allah Hafiz.